Welcome to the Toe Show. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of the Toe Show. And in this episode, I am bringing you a new Pedisafe kit. This is a starter kit and it has everything in it that you can use to construct a toenail. There's also 5 toenail corrections you can do with this kit. And I will include the link where you can read about this kit and those corrections that you can do. This kit can also be used on fingernails. This is from a Canadian company called Fungal Cosmetique. They have been in the nail industry since 2003. What makes this kit special is that it promotes nail health through antifungal and antibacterial agents that it contains. Their claim is also that it prevents the spread of any fungus. It is safe for application over fungal nails because of the medicinal properties the kit has. And this kit is available to everyone, licensed and non-licensed do-it-yourselfers. The kit is just about $138, that is in US dollars. And there is free shipping on orders of over $120, which you would get this kit for free shipping. The price that I gave you is the kit without the lamp. You can also purchase this kit with the lamp for about $260. Now, all of these products in this kit can be purchased separately, and I am giving you a 10% off discount code, and that is 10% off on anything on their site. When you get your kit, you will find a folder in it, and it will have some literature, and you'll want to read through that because there is instructions on how to do several different techniques for your toes. Now I'm going to give you an up-close look at all the items that come in the kit. In this video, I will be demonstrating using all the items in this kit to sculpt out, using only the brush and the gel, 2 toenails for my large toes. As some of you might know, I do not have any toenails on my large toes. In this video, I will be using this kit to create 2 large toenails on each of my big toes because I am missing those toenails. There is 2 dappen dishes in the kit, and the reason they give you those is so that if you are using this product in a salon setting, you will want to decant the amount of gel that you need to do a client because you want to be safe and clean about this, and you don't want to contaminate the gel because you are going to be using it on more than one person. And that's what their directions state. Since I'm going to just be using this kit on myself, I won't need to do that. Before I start, I want to clean the brush of any glue residue because a lot of new brushes have glue residue left in them, and all I do is just use some of the Sani Fresh in the dappen dish and dip my brush into it and blot it out on a paper towel until it feels nice and soft and pliable. Before I begin, I have to do the nail prep, and in this case, I've already done that. if you are prepping your natural toenails, you will want to push back the nail folds and remove any of the cuticle that's left on the toenails, and you will want to lightly buff the nails. If you don't have a nail on your toe like I do, I just have calloused skin. So what I do is I just lightly file that, and I can use the nail file that they provide, but I do like to use an e-file and come in the sidewalls and clean up a little bit. But I don't have to take off every bit of the calloused skin, because that actually helps the gel to adhere to the skin on the nail. I am using the Sani Fresh and the brush to clean and prep the skin and nail surface. Now I need to apply the base gel, which is called Connect. And I want to get some out and just apply a nice thin layer all over, and then I will cure that for 30 seconds. And now it's time to apply the gel, the builder gel, and they call it modeling gel, and that's what I will be using to construct the toenail itself. I want to get out a nice bead, a nice large bead, so that I can completely cover the surface of the nail bed. I did want to share with you that when I was using the base gel, which is called Connect, I could actually smell the medicinal properties that are inside that gel. I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and cure that in my lamp for 1 minute. Now, if we take a look at the side view of my toe here, you can see that there is a dip in it. So what I need to do with this second layer is come in heavy with the gel, fill in that dip, and build a very slight apex. And once I get this filled in, I will go ahead and cure it for 1 minute. Now look at how that is filled in. There is no longer a dip, and it looks very nice and smooth. Now that that dip is filled in, I'm just going to go in with the last layer of gel, and I want to make this on the thick side, and I'm just going to float it all around and extend it a little bit further up the nail, because I don't want my nail to be too short. And then I will cure that for 1 minute. Before I cure the gel, if I notice that any of the gel has ran out of the nail bed area down below the cuticle area where I don't want it, I use another brush and some Sani Fresh and just wipe that gel out before I cure it. And now I'm going to clean the inhibition layer off with some tack-free shine and file up the nail some. Now I'm going to use my e-file with a 240 grit sanding band and just smooth down the surface of the nail to prepare it for gel polish application. And now I'm going to apply a thin layer of the base gel called Connect, and then I will cure that for 30 seconds. This is the free gift that comes in the kit, the gel polish, and I will be applying this first layer and then curing it for 30 seconds. And of course, before you cure, you will want to take some of the tack-free shine and a clean brush and just clean off any of the gel polish that's on the skin before you cure it. I am now applying my second layer of gel polish in the same manner, and I will cure it for 30 seconds. And now it's time to top coat the nail using top gloss, and I will cure this for 1 minute. That is the end of the video. If you have problem toenails, missing toenails, and are looking for a complete kit with medicinal properties to keep your toenails healthy and protected, this may be the kit for you. You know, I must say, using Pedisafe, brings my imperfect toes closer to perfection. I'm impressed. Links to the kit are in the description box below. Please remember to take advantage of the 10% off coupon code, and thank you so much for being here and watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!